Welcome to a Kinder Egg, I guess special. I'm doing Barbie Kinder Eggs. I saw these in the store and said, why not? We'll do Barbie Kinder Eggs. And see what you get when you get a Barbie Kinder Egg. And it looks like a Barbie of some sort. Let's check her out here. Yeah, it's going to be a plate. So he's going to. Trying to decipher what these do here. So apparently, this is the Barbie. You saw the QR code on the other side, and they apparently clip down into the base. Barbie here, so we'll put Barbie together here. And it looks like she's got a record on her hip here. And headphones. I guess she's got like a... Yeah, that didn't go on well. Okay, well, that didn't go on good. So... I guess that's how it goes, and then nope. Guess that's it. No, it doesn't seem right. Oh, okay. So there we go. We got. Boy, this is confusing as all get out. So. It looks like these things just so she got a hole in her foot. Trying to figure these things out. Oh, there we go. I think I got it. I think I got it. So it looks like she goes in that way. There we go. Alright, so there's one Barbie. And that was a pain. Next up, so I guess that's Music Barbie. It says it's Barbie. This must be... oh, this is a Barbie bracelet. I don't think you'll be seeing me wearing it, but they clip in like so. That. And there you have a Barbie bracelet, which has a pony, a Barbie outline, med kit. So there we go, Barbie bracelet. Weird, but okay. Next up, okay, looks like we got another Barbie here. This one looks easier to put together. Alright, so once again, you got the Barbie looks, and there's the QR code. Looks like she's running track. Now the funny thing is, which way does the base go? It looks like, oh, she's got targets. Barbie targets. They're all Barbie. So I guess she kicks this thing or something. I didn't see it on the... That's the wrong one. So that's a backdrop, 5, 10, 15. Like that, and then she stands on it, and then this, fold it up and just flatten it out, and stands up behind her, but then you can take it, take her off, and have her kick it. Is how they showed it, but it would make no sense to me. So. There we go. Sports Barbie. And last but not least, we have, looks like Chef Barbie. There we go again. Same things on that side, but there's the QR code instructions, and she's got a base that's you can rub and pick up, you know, put the paper on top and rub a pencil across and pick up on the designs. Barbie together. And, oh, she's got, I was wondering why that was. So apparently they printed her in 2 different color plastics. So you have to put a decal on for her apron. And one foot goes in a hole. And one foot goes in has a peg. And there we are. There's Chef Barbie. Which seems like an unnatural pose. Alright, so there we go. We have Music Barbie. So I guess those are pom-poms or something on the floor. I don't know what that is. And the bracelet, Sports Barbie, keeps falling over, and Chef Barbie. So it's like the Barbie Spice Girls. And there you go. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.